Siapa sangka dari ranting kayu seperti ini bisa jadi lampu tidur seunik ini. Ranting Pohon. Pemotongan dengan panjang 17 cm. Pengelupasan kulit ranting. Menjadi seperti ini. Lanjut pembuatan tatakan. Kurang lebih jadi seperti ini. Penyusunan ranting ketatakan. Pasang satu persatu. Setelah semua ranting terpasang, tali rami untuk memperkuat dan variasi. Jadi seperti ini. Pengeboran dan pemasangan variasi bagian atas.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight.
Setelah semua variasi terpasang,
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate.
Lanjut pemasangan ring stroke.
I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray.
Penggantung dari tali rami.
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.
Dudukan untuk penggantung.
All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe.
Lanjut pengecatan.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you.
Few moments
Grow
later.
about what you wanna be.
Setelah cat kering,
Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
setelah
good
pemasangan,
day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Semoga bisa menginspirasi, membantu, dan bermanfaat. See you next video.